That's more disturbing than what you did last time. He's always taking it to a whole new level. I love to stand and watch, but the portrait wasn't the video game by 4 o'clock. Hey, did you see that? What? Perkins has red earbuds and a red flannel shirt. Oh, amazing! Perkins and the portrait both like red. What a coincidence.
Or you did, but you didn't listen.
Because you never pay attention.
Look above the edge. Look above the edge. Mom, there's mango. Mango giga.
Belum matang susu itu.